In the previous class, you have learned the definition of statistics. So, what is the meaning of statistics and the importance of statistics? Now, you have also learned the types of measures of central tendency. What is the definition of mean? What is the definition of median? What is the definition of mode? And you learned the difference between ungrouped data and grouped data also. Now in class 10, we start with the mean of ungrouped data. Let us start the problems on this definition. We have statistics class 10. Find the mean of 2, 3, 5, 10, 20, 12. Now we note down the formula arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean equal to sum of observations, sum of observations, sum of observations by number of observations, number of observations. This is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 10 plus 20 plus 12 divided by how many observations are there? What is the number of observations? How many observations are there? 6 observations are there. So we write 6. This is equal to 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 20, 40, 40 plus 12, 52. 52 by 6. This is equal to so on cancellation with 2, 26 by 3. We get 26 by 3. So if you want to express in the decimal form, we can write it 26, 3, 8, 24. You get a remainder 2. So we keep decimal here. 0, 3 6s, 18. Again you get 0, 2, 0, 6s. 18, 2. So you get 8.67. So this is how we find arithmetic mean of given raw data. Now we find arithmetic mean for some other data. Find mean of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So now we note down the formula. Arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean equal to sum of observations, sum of observations by number of observations. Number of observations. This is equal to, we add all the observations, 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50 plus 60 plus 70 plus 80 divided by. So how many observations are there? Total number of observations 8. So divided by 8. This is equal to 10 plus 20, 30, 30 plus 30, 60, 60 plus 40, 100, 100 plus 50, 150, 150 plus 60, 210, 210 plus 70, 280, 280 plus 60, 360. So 360 by 8. This is equal to, so 8 fours 32, 40 means 5. So we got arithmetic mean equal to 45. We got arithmetic mean equal to 45. Now we note down important definition. Mean of ungrouped data. Mean of ungrouped data. This is very important result, important formula. Let x1, x2, x3 and so on, xn be observations, be observations with frequencies, with the respective, with the respective frequencies, with the respective frequencies f1, f2, f3 and so on, fn and so on, fn. That is the observation, that means that means the observation, the observation x1 occurs f1 times x2 occurs f2 times f2 times and so on and so on. Now the formula to find the arithmetic mean is arithmetic mean. The arithmetic mean, it is denoted by x bar. Arithmetic mean is denoted by x bar equal to sum of all observations by number of observations. Sum of all observations, sum of all observations by number of observations. This is equal to x1. The observation x1 has occurred for f1 times. So we must multiply these two. x1 f1 plus x2 f2 plus x3 f3 plus and so on plus xn fn by by number of observations. Number of observations is nothing but f1 plus f2 plus f3 plus and so on fn. So f1 plus f2 plus f3 plus and so on plus fn. So using this formula we find arithmetic mean of ungrouped data. So this can be represented as sigma x bar equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi, where I equal to 1 to n. Here the symbol sigma stands for summation. This stands for summation. So this is a Greek letter. This is a Greek letter sigma. Greek letter sigma. So this is about the symbol. So if we use this symbol, that implies that we are using the addition of all the values, that is the summation of all the values. Now let us start with the problem. First problem: the marks obtained in mathematics, the marks obtained in mathematics the marks obtained in mathematics by 30 students, by 30 students of a certain school, of a certain school are given in the table below, are given in the table below. Find the mean of the marks. Find the mean of the marks. Find the mean of the marks obtained by the students. Obtained by the students. Marks obtained marks obtained. This is denoted by xi. Number of students. Number of students. So 10 marks, one student. 20 marks, one student. 36 marks, three students. 40 marks, 40 marks, four students. 50 marks, 50 marks by three students. 56 marks by two students. 60 marks by four students. 60 marks by four students. 70 marks by four students. 70 marks by four students. 72 marks by one student. 72 marks by one student. 80 marks by one student. 88 marks by two students. 92 marks by three students. 95 marks by one student. So let us observe this again. 10 marks by one student, 20 marks by one student, 36 marks by three students, 40 marks by four students, 50 marks by three students, 56 marks by two students, 60 marks by four students, 70 marks by four students, 72 marks by one student, 80 marks by one student, 88 marks by two students, 92 marks by three students, 95 marks by one student. So now we complete this table. So this is the given problem. Now we have to find the arithmetic mean of this given data. Now this information is rearranged as now we prepare a table to find the solution. Marks obtained. The first column is marks obtained. Marks obtained. It is denoted by xi. Now the second column is number of students. Number of students. So this is taken as frequency fi. The third column is product of these two, fi xi. Right. Now, so marks obtained. We will note down marks obtained 10 marks. So 10 marks, how many students are there? There is one student. So we have to find the product of 10 and 1. So 10 multiplied by 1 equal to 10. So this is the first one. For clarity purpose, I am drawing lines, but the students need not draw lines. For clarity purpose only, I am writing lines. So in the next step, 20 marks. 20 marks are obtained by one student. So total marks means 20 multiplied by 1, that equal to 20. So this is how we calculate. Now next 36 marks. 36 marks are obtained by 3 students. So if 36 marks are obtained by 3 students, then we multiply this to 36 multiplied by 3, that equal to 108. That equal to 108. Now we draw another line. Students need not draw these lines. Just for clarity purpose, I am drawing these lines. You need not write, draw these lines. And next 40 students, 40 students have got 4 marks. Each 40 marks are obtained by 4 students. 40 marks are obtained by 4 students. So total marks 40 multiplied by 4 students, this is equal to 160. So 10 marks are obtained by one student. So 10 multiplied by 1 equal to 10. Next 20 marks are obtained by one student. 20 marks are obtained by one student. So we got 20 multiplied by 1 equal to 20. And next 6 marks are obtained by 3 students. 36 marks are obtained by 3 students. So we multiply 36 multiply by 3 equal to 108. We get this. In the next step, 40 marks are obtained by 4 students. So total marks equal to 40 multiplied by 4 equal to 160. So this is how we calculate the table. So once you understand how to calculate the table, statistics becomes very easy. Now we consider the marks 50 marks. Next, 50 marks are obtained by 3 students. If 50 marks are obtained by 3 students, total marks are 50 multiplied by 3. 50 multiplied by 3, that equal to 150. So total marks obtained. Now next, we consider the marks obtained 56. So 56 marks are obtained by 2 students. 56 marks are obtained by 2 students. So we get 56 multiplied by 2, that equal to 112. So 56 marks are obtained by 2 students. So we get a 56 multiplied by 2 equal to 112. Now we consider the marks 60. 60 marks are obtained by 4 students. 60 marks are obtained by 4 students. So total marks are 60 multiplied by 4. This is equal to 240. Each student has got 60 marks. So there are 4 students. So total number of marks obtained by 4 students equal to 240 marks. Now we consider 70 marks. 70 marks are scored by 4 students. Each student has scored 70 marks. That means 70 marks are scored by each student. Total number of such students are the 4. So 70 multiplied by 4, this is equal to 280. This is equal to 280. Now we consider the marks 72. How many students got 72 marks? Only one student got 72 marks. So 72 multiplied by 1 equal to 72. Now 80 marks. How many students got 80 marks? Only one student got 80 marks. So total marks equal to 80 multiplied by 1, that equal to 80. Next, 88 marks. How many students got 88 marks? 88 marks are obtained by two students. That is, each student has got 88 marks. Two students. How many students got 2 marks? Only two students got 88 marks. So total marks obtained equal to 88 multiplied by 2, that equal to 176. Next, 92 marks. How many students got 92 marks? How many students got 92 marks? 92 marks are obtained by 3 students. The number of students obtained 92 marks is 3. 3 students, each student has got 92 marks. So 92 multiplied by 3. This is equal to 276. Now we consider the marks 95. How many students got 95? How many students got 95? 95 marks. Only one student got 95 marks. So 95 multiplied by 1, that equal to 95. So now we write total. We write total. So this is Fi column, sigma Fi equal to, if we add all these observations we get 30, and sigma Fi xi. So if we add this column, all the values of this column, we get 1779. We get 1779. So let us see this table. Now, arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean, we note down the formula. Arithmetic mean, arithmetic mean x bar equal to sigma Fi xi, sigma Fi xi by sigma Fi. This is nothing but sum of all observations divided by number of observations. This is equal to sum of all observations, sum of all observations by number of observations, number of number of observations. This is equal to This is 1779 by 30. So on calculation, we will get 59.3. On calculation, we get 59.3. So mean marks, therefore, mean of the marks obtained equal to 59.3. 59.3. So this is how we calculate the arithmetic mean of ungrouped data. Based on this model, now next problem. Next problem. Okay, let me explain this problem again. Right. In this problem, let us see this. The marks obtained in mathematics by 30 students of a certain school are given in the table below. Find the mean of the marks obtained by the students. Dear students, here number of marks, that is marks obtained by each some students is given 10, 20, 36, 40, 50, 56, 60, 70, 72, 80, 88, 92, 95. And number of students obtained also given. 10 marks are obtained by one student, 20 marks are obtained by one student, 36 marks obtained by three students, 40 marks obtained by four students. Like that, this table is given to us. Now, we have to find the arithmetic mean of the given data. So, here this is Fi. Number of students is Fi. So, now we prepare a table. First column is marks obtained. The second column is number of students, that is Fi, frequency. Now the third column is the product of Fi and Xi, that is marks obtained multiplied by number of students. Marks obtained So this is equal to here 10 marks are obtained by one student. So total marks equal to 10 multiplied by 1 equal to 10. So we calculated this. Next 20 marks are obtained by one student. So 20 multiplied by 1 equal to 20. So next 36 students, 36 marks are there. These marks are obtained by 3 students. Number of marks, number of that is 36 marks are obtained by 3 students. So total marks equal to 36 multiplied by 3, that equal to 108. And next 40 marks are obtained by 4 students. So total marks equal to 40 multiplied by 4 equal to 160. 50 marks, these are obtained by 3 students. Total marks equal to 50 multiplied by 3 equal to 150. Next 56 marks are obtained by 2 students. Total marks equal to 56 multiplied by 2, that equal to 112. 60 marks are obtained by 4 students. So total marks equal to 60 multiplied by 4 equal to 240. 70 marks are obtained by 4 students. Total marks equal to 70 multiplied by 4 equal to 280. 72 marks are obtained by one student. So we get a 72 multiplied by 1 equal to 72. 80 marks are obtained by one student. So 80 multiplied by 1 equal to total marks 80. 88 marks are obtained by two students. So we multiply this to 88 multiplied by 2, it is equal to 176. 92 marks are obtained by 3 students. So we multiply 92 and 3, then we get 276. So we have written in this third column. 95 95 marks are obtained by one student. So we multiply 95 and 1, we get 95. So we write total. So the second column is represents Fi. So sum of all these observations gives us sigma Fi, that equal to 30. So this column gives, second column gives us a sigma Fi equal to 30. So we have to add all these values. Now the last third column, it gives us sigma Fi xi. Its value, the sum of all these values is 1779. We have to add all these values. We get 1779. Now we use the formula for arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean equal to sigma Fi xi by sigma Fi. This is this is the third column. This is third column. This is the second column. So this is third column. This is second column. So we got the sum of all values in third column is 1017 779. Sum of all values in the second column is 30. So that is sigma fi equal to 30. So on division we get 59.3. Hence arithmetic mean of marks obtained is 59.3. Yes, students, I would like to give a problem to all of you. You try to solve it. Find the arithmetic mean of the following table. Marks obtained, that is xi. Number of students, that is fi. 35, 7, 40. Two students, 45, 10 students, 50, 20 students. 60, 4 students, 70, 5 students, 80, 2 students, 90, 3 students, 100, 7. So students, you try to solve this problem. You take this as exercise, and we will solve another problem. So you try to solve this problem, all of you. I will start next model. I will start next model problem. You will have to solve this problem. I start the next problem, next model. Find find the the arithmetic mean of the following data. Of the following data. Class interval, class interval, number of students, number of students. This is 10 to 25, 10 to 25. There are two students. 25 to 30 class interval. Three students are there. 40 to 55 students. Interval 40 to 55. Seven students. 55 to 70. Six students. 70 to 85. Six students. 85 to 100. Six students. So 10 to 25, two students. 25 to 40. This is 25 to 40. 25 to 43 students. 40 to 55, 7 students. 55 to 70, 6 students. 70 to 85, 6 students. 85 to 100, 6 students. Now we prepare this table. Right. So to prepare the arithmetic mean, to prepare arithmetic mean of this data, we prepare a table. We prepare a table. So the first one is class interval. Class interval. This is the first column. And the second column is number of students. The second column is number of students. Number of students. The third one is class marks. Class marks. XI. And this is FI. The last one is FI XI. So now let us note this is arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean by direct method. Direct method. So this is the name of the method. Arithmetic mean by direct method. So we are find the arithmetic mean of the following data by direct method. So we will write here also. Here also we write it. Arithmetic mean arithmetic mean by direct method. Arithmetic mean by direct method. Now first class interval is 10 to 25. This is the class interval. Number of students 2. So class marks xi equal to upper limit, upper class limit plus lower class limit by 2. Xi, this is equal to 10 plus 25 by 2, that equal to 35 by 2, equal to 17.5. This is equal to 17.5. Now fi multiplied by xi, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 17.5 equal to 35. So this is 17.5. I write it clearly. This is equal to 17.5. This is equal to. Now we consider the second interval 25 to 40. In 25 to 40 interval, number of students equal to 3. Number of students, there are 3 students. There are 3 students. Now class marks xi is calculated by 25 plus 40 by 2. This is equal to 65 by 2. That equal to 32.5. 32.5. Now we get the next column 33 multiplied by 32.5. This is equal to 97.5. 97.5. Students must understand this simplification part. So that is why I am writing all simplification steps here. So without simplification steps, it may be sometimes difficult to some students. Now next column is 40 to 55. 40 to 55. So how many students are there? 7 students are there. Now the third column xi is calculated by upper class limit plus lower class limit by 2. Upper class limit plus lower class limit by 2. That means 40 plus 55 by 2. This is equal to 95 by 2. 95 by 2 equal to 47.5. So next column is calculated by 7 multiplied by 47.5. This is equal to, on multiplication we get 332.5. We get 332.5. Students must learn these simplification, that is calculation part. So in statistics the process is very easy to understand. Students must try to learn the simplification part. Now 55 to 70. 55 to 70 class interval. Number of students 6. Now we find the class interval 55 plus 70 by 2. This is equal to 125 by 2. So this is equal to 62.5. 62.5. So we can write 6 multiplied by 62.5 equal to 375. 375.0. We did not write 0 here. 375.0. So 55 to 70 interval. There are 6 students here. There are 6 students. Class interval is 55 plus 70 by 2, that equal to 25 by 2 equal to 62.5. Now the last column is fi multiplied by xi. 6 multiplied by 62.5, that equal to 375. Next class interval, we consider the next class interval. 70 to 85. 70 to 85. 70 to 85, there are 6 students. Number of students equal to 6. 70 plus 85 by 2 equal to 155 by 2, that equal to 77.5. 77.5. Now we multiply 6 and 77.5. Now we multiply 6 multiplied by 77.5. This is equal to, we get 465. 465. 465. Now the last class interval, 85 to 100. 85 to 100. In this class interval, number of students is 6. So class interval xi, class marks xi is given by 85 plus 100 by 2. This is equal to 185 by 2, that equal to 92.5. Now the last column, fi multiplied by xi. So that is 6 multiplied by 92.5. 6 multiplied by 92.5. This is equal to, we get 555.0. So this is how we prepare the table. So this is equal to total. The second column gives us sigma fi. This is equal to, total number is 30. Now we leave this column. We don't write anything else here. The last column, sigma fi xi. This is equal to, we get 1860.0. So 1860.0. Now we calculate arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean, we write the formula arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean, x bar equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So the last column is 1860. We got 1860 by the second column, sigma fi is 30. So this is equal to, we get 62. So we got arithmetic mean equal to 62. This is by direct method. This is a direct method. Arithmetic mean by direct method. So you have learned this method. Now let us go through this concept again. What is given and what how we have found. Let us try to understand the concept. Find the arithmetic mean of the following data by direct method. The name of this method is arithmetic direct method. Arithmetic mean by direct method. Here the class intervals are given to us, and next number of students it is given. Now to find class marks, that is xi, we use the formula to find class marks. Class marks xi equal to upper class limit, upper class limit plus lower class limit by true. We use this formula, class marks xi equal to upper class limit plus lower class limit by 2. Now let us come to the table. The first column is class interval. The second column is number of students, that is fi. Third one is class marks. Fourth one is fi multiplied by xi. So we have four columns. Students must remember these four columns. Now we consider 10 to 25 class interval. There are two students here. Now how to find the class marks for this interval? So the lower limit is 10, lower limit is 10, upper limit is 25. 10 plus 25 by 2. 10 plus 25 by 2, that is 17.5 we get. So in the next step, we multiply the number of students by class marks. 2 multiplied by 17.5 equal to 35. Now we consider the next class interval 25 to 40. So number of students is 3. So here to find the class marks xi, 25 plus 40 by 2. That is lower limit plus upper limit by 2. We get 32.5. So the last column is 3 multiplied by 32.5 equal to 97.5. This is how we calculate the second row. This is second step in the table. And next, the third row, 40 to 55 class interval. There are 7 students. Now we find the class marks by upper limit plus lower limit by 2. That is 40 plus 55 by 2. We get 47.5. Now the last column is calculated by 7 multiplied by 47.5 equal to 332.5. We consider next class interval. Next class interval is 50 to 70 class interval. So here six students are there. To find class marks, 55 plus 70 by 2. 55 plus 75 by 2, 70 by 2, we get 62.5. Now we multiply the second column and the third column, that is 6 multiplied by 62.5, that equal to 375. This is how we find the values in this 55 to 60 class interval. Next class interval is 70 to 85. In 70 to 85 class interval, there are six students. Now we find class marks by lower limit plus upper limit by 2. Here lower limit is 70, upper limit is 85. 70 plus 85 by 2, we get 77.5. Now the last column is calculated by multiplying the second column and third column. 6 multiplied by 77.5, that equal to 465.0. Now we consider the class interval 85 to 100. So in this six students are there. To find class marks, we use the formula lower limit plus upper limit by 2. 85 plus 100 by 2, we get 92.5. The last column is obtained by multiplying Fi and Xi, that is 6 multiplied by 92.5 equal to 555. Now we add all the values in the second column, all the values in the second column. This gives us sigma Fi, that is number of observations. Sigma Fi Xi, that is number of observations, number of students, 30. The sum of all the observations here, sigma Fi Xi, it is 1860. So this gives us total number of marks, total marks obtained. Total marks is 1860 by all 30 students. Now we use the formula arithmetic mean x bar equal to sigma Fi Xi by sigma Fi. We have already obtained this last column is 1860. The second column value is 30. So we got arithmetic mean 62. This process of obtaining arithmetic mean is called arithmetic mean by direct method. This is arithmetic mean by direct method. Dear students, we continue the next problems in this model tomorrow. Thank you all students. Thank you very much. Once again, I suggest all the students to practice statistics. Without practice, statistics will be very difficult. You must learn how to simplify the given problem. How simplification part is very very important. Calculation part is very important in statistics. Thank you all students. Thank you very much.